Alright, so I'm out here in Zephyrhills from Pulte. Got homes being built over here across the street. And you can see that it's a wood frame on the second floor, cement block on the first floor. And for now, and I say for now because they could always change their methods on how they build, it is house wrap, and it's Typar house wrap, so that's all important to know. Now, of course, my service is essentially free to you because it's build or pay to use it or lose it. Check out the video at the end for more information about that and how to get it. And I'm Rich Noto, your construction trained realtor, and I help my buyers from start to finish. And one of the most important parts of the process, like I always do say, is construction. It's the build process, or also purchasing a house that, if it is completed, picking out a house that's in the best possible condition. Okay, so that is so important because, you know, after you close and the house is on you, all of those defects are going to be on you, of course, the homeowner. So you always want to make sure that the builder builds you a house that is built right and it's following codes and manufacturer's installation instructions. And that's what I do along the way. Actually, there's a lot that I do along the way, and I couldn't possibly talk about it in a short video, especially today with it being 100 degrees. So let's go inside and have a look at this house. It's an inventory house. It's called the Heston. I don't think I have a video of a Heston from Pulte. And again, this house is inventory, so it could be sold by the time I post this video, because who knows when that will be. Alright, so I'm going off to the left here, and this right away, it follows the, you know, the standard pattern of a lot of homes that are like this, where, you know, there's 2 bedrooms off to the left and they're divided by a bathroom. Got a small closet here, but the bedroom feels a little bit larger than, I guess, what some of the homes would feel like. Here we have quartz countertops in the bathroom, and you can see they put tile on the wall in this house. Of course, your house might not have that. It depends on what comes standard and what you want to upgrade. How big is this closet? Oh, it's about the same, small closet. Wonder why they didn't use the whole wall. Maybe something's back there. Maybe this closet is what's stopping it. I think it's a closet. HVAC closet. And here is your 2-car garage. And it's a larger 2-car garage, and you can see by the amount of spacing on each side of the garage door. Now I think over here they're probably using tankless water heaters, because I don't see any hot water heaters in the garage. Here's your laundry room. And here's another bedroom. So you got 3 bedrooms off towards the front of the house. This one maybe is a little bit pushed back because it's next to the garage. So it's kind of nice to have a bedroom that's in the middle like this, because if the front of the house is a little bit more noisy or the rear of the house is more noisy, you know, you kind of push back a bit, and you're also on the side. So just something to keep in mind. Let's see what we have here. Is this a pantry or just a coat closet? All right. And the kitchen and the living room. This feels like another house that another builder sells, or maybe 2 other builders, or 3. Because, you know, they all seem to follow each other depending on what's a hot seller. So plenty of countertop space, and a nice amount of cabinets too. We got some different size cabinets on this as well. And here's your lanai, also known as the covered patio. And over here, straight ahead, is your living room. Big one too. And this is the master bedroom. I wonder what the square footage of this. I feel like it's probably around that 1800, 1900. Could be wrong, but I think, it feels like it. The closets are smaller, so that's kind of what has me a little confused, I guess. Your shower, your toilet in the closet room. And what do we have here? And here's your closet. Now I wonder if it comes standard with this, or these are extra. Because normally it doesn't. Normally builders will just put these in, so there'll be like one there, and one there. But not these three. So pretty interesting. All right, so let's just talk about this briefly as I walk out. The bathroom feels okay, but it is a little bit snug. The shower here, which more than likely is an upgrade because the tiles are going all the way up to the ceiling. Normally it would stop like here or so and then go up. Also too, it would not come with this kind of a heavy glass door, and probably not the seat. So who knows, maybe this house is already sold, I don't know. Or it could be just the way the builder's packaging their inventory, because this community is relatively new. Kitchen, living room, and dining room area feels really nice. It feels really spacious. So, feels good, it feels spacious. Squeaky floor. I like that there's no sink on the island. I like that it's over there. That's nice. Kind of tired of that because it's a lot easier to cook when there's no sink on the island. And of course we have that one bedroom over here. And I don't know if I got the laundry room or not. I think I did. But let's step in here. So definitely a larger laundry room than you would see in some homes. And of course the 2 bedrooms with the full bathroom. So I do appreciate you